Hello everyone friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to add another Gmail account on Android. To add another account, click on the top right corner of your Gmail. Now tap on Add Another Account. Now click on Google. Here you have to add the password of your device. Now add your email address of the other account here. After adding the email address, click on Next. Now add the password of the email address here. After adding the password, click on Next again. Now scroll down and click on Yes, I am in. Here you can see the account has been added. In this way you can add another Gmail account in your Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video.